Best foods to increase muscle mass fast. Reducing body fat and gaining muscle mass is the ideal way to increase body weight, but it is rather hard. If you are looking to maximize muscle gain, then definitely you want to include these foods in your diet. Number 1. Eggs. Eggs are a great source of macro and micronutrients that meet all requirements to support muscle development. Eggs contain a perfect balance and diversity of nutrients, along with their high digestibility and affordability, which makes eggs an ideal food to gain muscle mass. Some recent studies have highlighted the beneficial role of eggs for humans, including physically active individuals. Indeed, eggs represent an excellent source of high biological value proteins, with an optimal ratio of essential amino acids, plus vitamin A, vitamin D and vitamin E and iron, as well as vitamin B12, riboflavin, choline, zinc and calcium. Thus, an adequate consumption of eggs is important to bulk up your muscles. Number 2. Milk. Milk plays a key role within a healthy and balanced diet, and is packed with nutrients, which benefit you at every stage of your life. The various nutrients contained in milk are beneficial for supporting your activity and increase muscle mass. It is important to consider that not all sources of protein are equal. Milk contains complete proteins, because they provide the full mix of essential amino acids, critical for your muscle growth and repair. Moreover, milk is an excellent source of calcium, which is essential for muscular contraction, and together with vitamin D, they are vital for building and maintaining strong bones and teeth. Also, milk contains potassium, vitamin B12, vitamin A, vitamin B2 and niacin. All these nutrients help your body extract energy from food, and also promote optimal physiological functions. Importantly, research has shown that drinking milk after a workout helps build muscle mass, much better than any soy protein drink. Number 3. Fish. Fish such as salmon, sardines and tuna provide your body with long-chain polyunsaturated omega-3 fatty acids and high-quality proteins, which help you gain muscle mass and increase your body weight. Moreover, these omega-3 fats are important for your health, as they help reduce inflammation, which is a major contributor to many chronic health problems such as arthritis, cardiovascular disease, inflammatory bowel disease and Alzheimer's disease. Furthermore, fish is a great source of vitamin D and vitamin B2, as well as of several minerals including selenium, calcium, phosphorus, iron, magnesium, iodine, potassium and zinc. Number 4. Red meat. Lean red meat is an excellent source of high biological value proteins, and also provides various nutrients required for building muscle and putting on weight. Red meat provides L-carnitine, which transports long-chain fatty acids across the inner mitochondrial membranes to produce energy during exercise. Also, the creatine contained in red meat is important for muscle energy metabolism and performance enhancement. Furthermore, red meat also contains iron, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, niacin, zinc and phosphorus. All these powerful nutrients are essential for facilitating new tissue formation and muscle growth. Number 5. Poultry. Chicken breast is consumed frequently by people looking to bulk up their muscles. Chicken meat is a lean source of proteins, and is easy to digest. It provides a good source of protein to your muscles as early as possible to facilitate growth. Number 6. Wholemeal pasta. Wholemeal pasta is an excellent source of low glycemic index carbohydrates, which means that they are released more slowly, providing you with the energy you need to power your workout and daily activities. Complex carbohydrates intake has an essential role for regulating thyroid hormones, which are important, especially for physically active individuals. In addition, a very low-carb diet could limit the production of ATP, reducing the muscle's ability to contract with high force, also lengthening the recovery time from exercise, and thus, limiting muscle mass gain. Besides, wholemeal pasta is rich in dietary fiber, which is important for a healthy gut, and is also a good source of micronutrients such as thiamine, niacin, riboflavin, folic acid and iron. Number 7. Rice. Rice is a starchy grain, which is included in many dishes, due to its versatility and ability to adapt to any flavor and seasoning. Like pasta, rice is rich in complex carbohydrates, providing your body with the necessary fuel and calories to sustain your exercise routine and muscle growth, while keeping fat relatively low. Rice contains thiamine, manganese and magnesium, which are important micronutrients. Brown rice provides higher amount of dietary fiber and micronutrients compared with white rice, but it contains arsenic acid, that can be toxic, especially high amount, and phytic acid, which may impair mineral absorption. So the intake of brown rice should be limited to 1 or 2 portions a week, while white rice can be consumed more often. Number 8. Beans. Beans are simply good and naturally nutritious food. Several types of beans are widely available, and represent good sources of protein, and excellent sources of dietary fiber. Beans are healthy, because they are naturally low in fat, sodium-free, and cholesterol-free. Besides, many types of beans are also good sources of potassium. Beans are affordable and versatile, and can be included in a variety of dishes. Number 9. Lentils. There are different types of lentils, including brown, green, and red. Lentils are affordable and contain a good balance of proteins and complex carbohydrates, required for gaining mass muscle and weight quickly. Lentils are very versatile and can be added to other healthy dishes like soups, rice, and salads. Number 10. Avocado. Avocado represents a good source of dietary fiber and micronutrients, including potassium, vitamin A, vitamin E, folate, magnesium, vitamin C, riboflavin and choline. Most of the calories in avocado come from monounsaturated fat. This type of fat is considered healthy, when consumed in moderation. Adequate amount of avocado can be included in a balanced diet for physically active people looking to increase the body weight and muscle mass. It is important to take into consideration that the composition of skeletal muscles is about 75 to 80% water, 15 to 20% proteins, 1% glycogen, 1% lipids, 1% minerals. Therefore, drinking optimal amount of water is essential for maintaining the bulk of muscles. Moreover, various studies have shown that optimal hydration is critical for physical performance, and for health. Besides, adequate amount of fruit and vegetable should also be included in a healthy diet for people looking to increase the muscle mass and body weight.